Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Stellar XLM cryptocurrencies in the crypto market. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel for more latest news and update. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of Stellar XLM. The change is a very bad. It's a very bad news for Stellar XLM. As you can see here, negative 0.12% change in the XLM cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, the high price in the previous last 1 hour is dollar 0.37439 per dollar is the price of XLM cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. If we see the price as a chart of price chart of the XLM cryptocurrencies, so now currently they are falling down. So it's a dumping time of Stellar XLM cryptocurrencies. So my suggestion is to sell it and be safe from loss. I think it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. As you can see here, now let's see the live price indication of last 2 hour. What's going in the last 2 hour of Stellar XLM in a crypto market? As you can see here, the last 2 hour is a very good. As you can see here, the result is in a positive 0.55% change is a positive, and the high price in the previous 2 hour is dollar 0.375328 is the price of Stellar XLM in a previous 2 hour. As you can see here, as we can see the chart after the previous 2 hours, so at this period of the previous 2 hour is they are jumping down. It's a jumping time of XLM cryptocurrencies, but after some passage of time it's falling down. As you can see here, falling down, but now they are again jumping, but currently they are start jumping downing again. It's a uptrend of XLM cryptocurrency, so it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. As you can see here, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies market.